Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Daniel and today we are going to talk about daily routine.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
So Daniel, today we will talk about daily routine.
Yes, Emma. Daily routine is very important.
Do you have a daily routine?
Yes, I have a simple daily routine.
That is good. I also have a routine.
Nice. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Oh, I wake up at 6 a.m.
That is early.
Yes, I like morning time.
I also like morning time.
Do you use alarm?
Yes, I use alarm on my phone.
Me too. It helps me wake up.
What do you do first in the morning?
I brush my teeth first.
Same here.
Then I drink water.
I also drink water in the morning.
It is a healthy habit.
Yes, very healthy.
After that, I take a shower.
I also take a shower in the morning.
It makes me fresh.
Yes, it feels very good.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat tea and bread.
I eat bread and eggs.
That sounds nice.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes I drink coffee.
I drink coffee every morning.
Wow, that is interesting.
After breakfast, I go to work.
I also go to work after breakfast.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
I go by car.
The bus is usually full.
Yes, cars are more comfortable.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music in the morning.
I also listen to podcasts.
That is a good idea.
At work, I start with emails.
I start with meetings.
Oh, really?
Yes, every morning meeting.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take a short break at 11 a.m.
I also take a break.
What do you do in break time?
I drink tea.
I eat snacks.
Nice.
After work, I go home at 6 p.m.
I also go home at 6 p.m.
What do you do at home?
I rest and watch TV.
I also watch TV sometimes.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook simple food.
I also cook rice and vegetables.
That is healthy food.
Yes, very healthy.
After dinner, I walk a little.
I also walk in the evening.
Then I use my phone.
Me too. I check social media.
Then I sleep at 11 p.m.
I sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Good sleeping time.
That is a useful sentence. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
I go to work by bus.
I go to school by car.
We use I go for daily actions.
Yes, it is simple present tense.
Simple present means daily habits, like wake up, eat, sleep.
Good explanation. Another example. I drink coffee every morning.
Or I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Very easy English.
What about you? What is your daily routine?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Do you wake up early or late?
Tell us in the comments.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, support our channel for more English learning.
Today was a lot of fun talking about daily routine.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation today.
We learned many simple English sentences.
Yes, very useful for beginners.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.